बट जब बन गया तो हमको लगा कि इसमें और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं और कहानियाँ कहने की।
For this kind of project and for these kind of people to work with, the moment I got to know, I was like, I have to be in it.
जो एक्सपीरियंस एक्टर है सब टेक्स्ट लेके आ जाएंगे, जो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है वो ऑनेस्ट टुवर्ड्स द लाइन.
I think they all made sure that we are all comfortable, and I think comfort is something which is the foundation. I think.
I enjoy every day while shooting because written script इतना अच्छा था. I enjoyed every day, every moment.
well, अगर आप सबको भी ये लग रहा था कि शायद हिम्मत की कहानी कहीं पे अधूरी रह गई थी, तो उन्हीं लूप होल्स को पूरा करने के लिए इरादे और आपकी एक्साइटमेंट को और भी ज्यादा बढ़ाने के लिए हॉटस्टार स्पेशल्स इज कमिंग बैक विद हमारा द सेम सीरीज स्पेशल ऑप्स 1.5 एंड आज मेरे साथ उनकी कास्ट, उन्हीं से जुड़े हुए बैक एंड सब लोग जुड़े हुए हैं जो हमारे साथ एक्चुअली कोर टीम की तरह शेयर करेंगे व्हाट रियली वेंट बिहाइंड एंड व्हाट रियली इज द स्टोरी एक्चुअली ऑफ हिम्मत. Well, sir, firstly, all of you, welcome to Telechakkar. Pleasure having the core team actually with me, the actors, the director, the producers. But I would love to know that, जब first season बनता है, rather not first season, जब original बनता है, कोई planning नहीं होती है that 1.5 आएगा या फिर शायद season 2 आएगा, anything. So how was the mindset behind when you guys were approached or maybe when you guys were planning कि अच्छा यार अब लाना है second part of it?
एक तो ऑडियंस का प्यार but yeah, the first season was actually it was supposed to end in the first season.
Yes.
And that's how the story moved. We culminated the story in the first season and that was the idea behind Special Ops. But जब बन गया तो हमको लगा कि इसमें और opportunities हैं और कहानियाँ कहने की, तो वो universe हमने build करना शुरू किया and that's how 1.5 happened.
Well, guys, when you guys were approached, because they did not have like a planned thing कि अच्छा हम लोग 1.5 लाएंगे, so obviously they were not looking out for more people. But when you guys were approached, one, did you watch the actual special ops? Were you intrigued as I would say me? And now when you are a part of 1.5, how excited are you people?
I think very excited, of course, this to get released because one was did a great job. I think हमें वन को बहुत ही ऑडियंस का प्यार और अप्रिसिएशन मिला था एंड इवन वी बिंज वॉच्ड इट. आई सैट विद माय डैड एंड वी वॉच्ड एंड वी वर वेटिंग फॉर कि अब अगला कब, एंड अगला का कॉल आता है फ्रॉम द कास्टिंग टीम एंड देन एंड वी वर लाइक वी वर वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई वाज लाइक ओके फाइनली इट्स हैपनिंग, मे बी दिस सीजन 2, बट नो, इट वाज वेरी स्ट्रेंज दैट इट वाज 1.5 एंड नॉट सीजन 2. सो दैट वाज द मोस्ट इंट्रीगिंग पार्ट कि आखिर there's something different is going to happen.
Okay, what about you, Adil?
Yeah, as actors, you always want to work with the finest of people because that also helps you grow as an actor. And Neeraj sir has been that one director that generally all actors dream to work with him. The kind of work that he has done in the past also, he's always been appreciated for his writing, his direction, the kind of clarity that he always has. And then Special Ops came in 2020 during the lockdown, and just like everybody else, I watched it and I loved it. And उस time तक सोचा भी नहीं था कि आगे इसके next season में रहेंगे. And then when the call came, Shubham called me and then he told me that we're thinking to test you for a part in Special Ops 1.5. So generally एक actor की approach होती है कि वो पूछता है कि अच्छा character क्या है, क्या script है, क्या है, क्या नहीं. But for this kind of project and for these kind of people to work with, the moment I got to know, I was like, I have to be in it. ये तो करना है. So then, and I was right in thinking like that, and then it's just been fantastic.
Well, sir, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे that जब first season आया था, so obviously we were also not expecting कि season 2 or better 1.5 आएगा. So when it was on the table of a discussion कि चलो अब 1.5 ला सकते हैं, what was your approach to it?
तो 1.5 का आइडिया नीरज का है, तो सिर्फ हिम्मत की कहानी बोलना है उसको, ये था. और मैं इतना कन्विंस नहीं था शुरू में कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि सीज़न 1 में इतनी प्लॉट, इतना बड़ा प्लॉट, स्टोरी टेलिंग ऐसा था, और सीज़न छोटी सी 3-4 एपिसोड की कहानी कैसे बनाओगे आप. नीरज का क्या होता है, नीरज अपना इंस्टिंक्ट पे चलता है. राइटिंग भी उसका ऐसे ही होता है, जब एक आइडिया आता है और उसको क्वेश्चन नहीं करता है, ही राइट्स इट. ये दोनों जानते हैं, शीतल जानते हैं, इन लोग का प्रोसेस वैसे ही होता है. और वैसे होते रहा है मेरे ख्याल से इनका लाइफ में काम ऐसे ही होता रहा है. बट वो जो कॉल उसका आता है वो बहुत प्रिसाइज होता है और परफेक्ट होता है. मैंने काफ़ी स्क्रिप्ट उसके पढ़े हैं, तो मैं उसमें ट्रस्ट करता हूँ. मतलब ये ऐसा बोल नहीं सकता, और क्यों बोला ऐसा, तो थोड़ा टाइम लगा मुझे समझने में. मुझे लगा कुछ तो है इसमें. फिर थोड़ा सोचने लगा तो मेरा इंटरेस्टिंग एंगल है, कोई और इस तरह सोच नहीं रहा है. मैं सिर्फ उतना ही सोचा. उसके बाद उसने जब लिखा स्क्रिप्ट, 4 एपिसोड के स्क्रिप्ट लिखे, तो फिर मुझे समझा बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, बिकॉज प्लॉट भी है, और जो सवाल आप कर रहे हो सीज़न 1 में जो कैरेक्टर्स को जानने की क्यूरियोसिटी है, पूरा क्यूरियोसिटी का आंसर इसमें मिल जाएगा आपको.
Okay, but then I would love to know here one thing. Season 1 में जो लोग पार्ट होते हैं ना, they've set like a mark in front of the audience. वो लोग audience के दिल में एक जगह बना चुके होते हैं. And then people who are not a part of season 1, उनके लिए 1.5 या 2 जो भी अगला पार्ट आता है, उसमें अपने लिए जगह बनाना, एक बैलेंस मेंटेन करना.
नहीं, वो वापस 1 देख के आ सकते हैं 2 पे.
they can, but then obviously जैसे हिम्मत है, हिम्मत की एक audience set हो गई है. People will want to know कि अच्छा हिम्मत की life में क्या हुआ. Now these characters are like the total एक तरीके से they were not there and now they are coming here and they're gonna set the audience there. तो आप लोगों के लिए पहले तो कितना difficult था to maintain the balance all around, and आप लोगों के लिए कितना exciting और difficult था to win the hearts of those audience who are actually coming with the mindset of Himmat and other characters का story, but now you're gonna be wanting that वो आपके साथ भी connect करें.
ये सारे इस समय जो, इसलिए मैं बोल इसको राइटिंग वापस मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि राइटिंग बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, क्योंकि ये जो आप सोच रहे हैं सारे लोग ऐसे ही सोचेंगे, क्योंकि सारे कैरेक्टर्स के अंदर वेल लेयर के साथ हैं. जो भी ये है जो भी कैरेक्टर स्टोरी में करा है, सबको ऑडियंस रिलेट कर लेंगे स्टोरी के साथ.
Okay, in that regards, I would love to know a little brief about your characters because it's quite triggering when you see the trailer, क्योंकि ट्रेलर भी बहुत इन डेप्थ नहीं है, बहुत ही छोटा सा एक 2.5 मिनट का ट्रेलर है जो अभी भी हमको
बहुत बड़ा है.
मेरे लिए तो बहुत छोटा है, मेरे लिए तो बहुत छोटा है, because I want to know कि what is there, because अभी मैं लिंक होने लगी थी and then ट्रेलर खत्म हो गया. So I want to know a little back story if you could tell the audience about your characters.
I think Neeraj sir he's very clear with what he's writing, and he always gives a very subtle and good importance to all the characters who he takes for his in his work. So this interesting character which I've played is really interesting. It has her own graph and बहुत ही interesting लगेगा देखने को.
और घुमा
नहीं, but yeah, I can't reveal much because I think we must wait for November 12th.
अगर ऐसी बात है तो मैं आप लोगों से जानना चाहूंगी, were they first choice for the characters or you guys tried and tested with the other people also, like the cast के लिए, and then you guys came down on finalizing these 2 for the characters?
No, there were auditions that were taking place, and I guess that a lot of people would have auditioned, but yeah, they were our first choices and they came on board.
They come okay. On that regards, I would love to know that director always एक vision देखते हैं, and same goes for the the back end crews. वो भी एक direction देखते हैं about how the things have to go by, and then the actors also see कि अच्छा मेरे नज़रिए में ये role एक ऐसा होना चाहिए. So as a director, how much freedom do you give your the actor to actually experiment with the role and to experiment with the scene?
Not that much, but the reason is that much because very precisely written on the papers. डायलॉग्स वो कब होता है जब आपको पता है लूज स्क्रिप्ट है और वेग सा है और एक्टर को छोड़ दिया गया और खेलते जा रहे हैं. तो यहाँ ऐसा है नहीं, यहाँ पे बड़ा प्रिसाइज राइटिंग है, प्रिसाइज लाइंस है. जो एक्सपीरियंस एक्टर है सब टेक्स्ट लेके आ जाएंगे, जो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है वो ऑनेस्ट टुवर्ड्स द लाइन, honest towards the character, it will come out.
And in that regards, are you guys those actors who love improvising, or you follow what the director is commanding?
Yeah. See, it's little bit they improvise. That space is there.
Okay.
He has got a different energy. That on the script there's a written line. He has given something for the character. She has also given something for the character. That's a surprise. That's an interesting actor there.
Yeah, I think that it's a collective approach towards making a show or a film. और इसमें सब लोग जितनी मेहनत करते हैं और मतलब बीट फ्रॉम द राइटिंग टू शॉर्ट डिविजन एवरीथिंग, द टेक्निकलिटी एंड क्रिएटिव एस्पेक्ट, वो सब अगर आप फनल में डाल दो तो फनल की नोक एक्टर होता है क्योंकि वो उसके थ्रू वो सब डिलीवर होता है. So it's a big responsibility on actors' head also that ways, and it's very important to understand what the project and the director and the script expects out of you, and it's very very important for you to be fair to that.
Okay, in that regard, how was the माहौल on the sets? Because ऐसे देखे तो लगता है कि पूरी मस्ती चलती होगी.
बहुत ही chilled out. मतलब आप सोचिए इतना पेंडेमिक के दौरान शूट करा है तो सिचुएशंस ऐसी थी, there were a lot of challenges that everybody was facing, but I don't know how all of you manage it like that, लेकिन कोई स्ट्रेस में होता नहीं था. ऐसा माहौल अगर होता है कि when everybody is into it, everybody is giving more than their 100% into it, so everybody falls in love with what they're doing and they start owning it.
Well, what do you have to add here?
Oh, amazing. Like I've been saying it from the past few hours that we were made so comfortable, especially for me, like who was pretty much new to the set, on the set with such legends, such big people on the set. I think they all made sure that we are all comfortable, and I think comfort is something which is the foundation. I think that just puts everything in place further. So I think I had my own time, and I loved being a part of this small family.
Okay, obviously you guys can't tell me a lot about your characters because that is left for the fans to actually know when it comes out. But one thing I would love to know is any particular thing that you guys had to prepare for your characters, like जो आपको सीखना पड़ा हो, maybe that you learned while the course of the development of the character.
I explored action for the first time here in this project.
And how was your experience?
Oh, loved it. So then I've been trained. There were people, fantastic people, well-experienced people, international people who were training us for this entire bit, action and all. And that was something new that I didn't know how will I pull it off or will I be able to pull it off. But thankfully the entire team believed in us.
I think I've learned a lot just being on the set surrounded with such people, with great people, and also from the character, because also Neeraj sir has so well written this character with such variations. It has a lot of graph. I think I even was not sure, I don't know if I would be able to do it, or didn't want to disappoint sir who has written it so well, but I think I took a lot from it, and even I didn't know that versions of myself which you will get to see in the series. So let's see, let's watch. I'm excited.
Okay, the last thing I would love to know here from all of you rather, from you people, that how was your experience shooting with like the core cast, and from both of you that you know first से second का जो ये सफर था वो आप लोगों का उन लोगों के साथ as हिम्मत की कहानी कितना ज़्यादा खूबसूरती से you know how was your feedback to it, like what was your favorite moment from it, I would say.
So I enjoyed. शीतल भाई आप बोले, मैं तो बार-बार वही हैं?
Rap party. For me, it was the rap parties.
Rap party. हम लोग तो party नहीं किए. We are in India.
You missed it.
I missed it. I was in India, so I don't know. They have done it. I enjoy every day while shooting because written script इतना अच्छा था. I enjoyed every day, every moment.
Favorite, I would rather say I completely enjoyed being on set, being surrounded with such great people, and a lot of learning, especially for me, because I'm just like starting my career, and with the mindset I went with, I don't know what I'm gonna take, but I'm definitely gonna learn a lot from with such great people, with such legends, and I did.
I mean, working with such people, the actors, KK sir, Aftab bhai was there, and then Shivam sir is there, Neeraj sir is there. And the best thing was that it's not that, you know, हम लोग सिर्फ उसी दौरान मिलते थे जब हम लोग shoot कर रहे होते थे. You know, the kind of discussions that we would have over the dinner table and everything. So a lot of things you just, you know, when you hear them talking and when you're just around them, so there's a lot that you learn, you know, they share their experience, they talk, there are a lot of things that you don't have to go through it, but because you have heard them, so it helps you. So it's amazing, and then you know, for an actor, it's a blessing to have a fantastic co-actor with you, you know, because then that action reaction happens right there, and
yes.
in the best possible way.
Okay, I just want to know one thing now, because 1.5 लिखता हुआ मुझे दोबारा, you know, मेरा focus उसी पे है. After watching the series, will it be like that हम लोग expect करेंगे कि second या फिर 2.5 आने वाला है? Is it that the plan that you guys are aiming at, or what is it?
For that, you'll have to wait.
Indeed. Okay, any parting words for the fans who are gonna, I'm sure they are desperately waiting for Special Ops 1.5 to release. Any parting words for them?
Oh, it's a fantastic show. It's coming on the 12th of November on Disney Plus Hotstar. So just like how you loved the season 1, you're going to be loving this as well. So yeah, just watch it.
Just give the same love and appreciation what you have given us before. Please do watch it. Yeah.
Well, these were the core members of actually Special Ops 1.5, and I'm not sure if you guys were going to expect 2 or 2.5. उसके लिए रुकना पड़ेगा. But let's just hope that it is going to be as exciting as Special Ops actual वाला, जिसको देख के we were super excited. Well, until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off from Telechakkar. Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.